Are you searching for the best circular saw? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best circular saw in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. Electric circular saws. Cordless saw. Feature: widely used, suitable for cutting solid wood, PVC, MDF, plywood, cutting stone, wood, ceramic tiles, etc. The bevel cutting angle can be adjusted from 0 degrees to 45 degrees to meet the needs of multi-angle cutting. The solid metal guide plate can ensure that the circular saw cuts along the workpiece surface with a constant cutting depth. The soft rubber handle provides comfortable operation and better control, and minimizes hand fatigue. The semi-circular protective cover can better protect you from dust and wood chips. The circular saw can be connected with a vacuum cleaner to achieve dust-free cutting. The manual control switch and lock button can ensure safe use. Lightweight design reduces fatigue with one-handed operation. Brushless cutting machine, to ensure the life of the machine efficiently.